I grab a clip from the media pool, put it on my timeline. I cut the clip in half. And I remove a large part of the first and the second part. Move them together. And now I want to insert some kind of transition. So I just pick cross dissolve, and as you can see, there is the no axis sign there, and I cannot put it there. If I move it a little bit to the left, it will sometimes give me an arrow, but it won't place. Now, if I go to the cut page, there you can see that my speed editor highlights this piece, but if I say dissolve or smooth cut, it doesn't add. It does start to glow green when I press the button, but nothing happens. Now this happens in all my projects, all the other projects that I used to be able to insert transitions. I cannot insert transitions there either. Projects that already have transitions, when I remove it and I undo the remove, it will return it. But I cannot place a new transition or replace that removed transition with a new one. I'm at a loss.